guys, this is Ishita and are you excited for July's Fab Pack? I have got one. So the first product that you will receive is Seduction Las Vegas mini set of 10. Okay, so this retails for 500 rupees and I did receive same lipstick set but different shades of course. In previous pack, this is also like 500 rupees, same concept but different packaging and different shades. Although I did receive like 4 shades similar, I will kind of swatch all the lip shades like 2 in coming videos. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload this video. I do like to mention that this is really very nice concept to sell lipsticks. Like I love mini lipsticks sets to try new lipstick. This formula, let me tell you something about this formula. This is really very creamy, sheer. It can be buildable. It is buildable. Like once the lip shade is dried, you can build a second layer and you will get that intense color. But I do recommend using a lip liner with this lipsticks because they are kind of they will kind of bleed on your lips, and this is not a smudge proof or transport proof kind of a lipstick, but the formula is great. So subscribe guys to watch this video, like coming videos are interesting. So the second product is by Tawak, Illuminating Cream, and this is 30 grams, retails for 310 rupees. This is like I'm sure, I swear I have tried this cream on my hand, but I'm trying to find out the glitters. It's been a while, so I don't know. So I have to like test it for whole day, but this is kind of interesting because I don't have anything like this in my vanity. So let me show you. The smell is, of course, the Tawak's product smells nice, like awesome. They smell like heavenly all the time. All the products, they smell good. I love the smell. See, I'm taking. So this has gold flakes, sparkles in this one, and I think you can use it on your body or your face, anywhere that you want. I really like it because this is not kind of a chunky, super glittery glitters in them. This is like a subtle glitters, and you will get illuminating skin with this, but the formula is really very thin. I mean, I can see it. It has a little bit of glitters, but on camera it is not reflecting. I don't know. So this is this. So this retails for 310 rupees for 30 grams. Interesting. So the third product is by Blossom Couture. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. Aroma Magic Foot Cream. 72 rupees for 20 ml, and this is just a sample size. So about this cream, this is a night cream for your foot. Yes, and I have applied it, but it is a thin, it is not a heavy consistency, but it is too much oily on my foot, which is kind of great for winter seasons. I mean, but if you're like in tropical area, that this might be super oily for your foot, and it does not smell anything. So the fourth product is by Swiss Temple, if I'm spelling it right again, a total cleanup face wash, scrub and mask. Full size retails for 110 rupees, and full size I mean by how many grams? 50 ml. So I have tried this product, and this is kind of a really very uh, soft scrubbing, soft mask and soft face wash. Although you do need to clean your face before applying this product, which is good I guess, but the smell is great. I love the smell, and the product is all natural. This is also paraben free. Yes, natural, with natural extract, which is kind of nice, and the product is from Switzerland. Nice. I do like the smell, and this is so smooth and soft on my skin. This is like, it's perfect for sensitive skin people like me, so I like this product. And the fifth product, same old, from the soap company India, Intense body wash, full size, 200 rupees. Again, about this company and this product, particularly this product, I'm not bashing it, but I do not like this product. I don't know why, but I don't like this product. I have used this, I have received this like 2 months ago, and I'm still using it. Like, I have not used this often because I don't like the smell and I don't like the finish that it feels. It gives my skin the finish. I just don't like it. So that's that, and you will get this month. I have received this pouch, and this is kind of a cute pouch. I like this concept of fab bag. The pouch is amazing. So that's all I have received in this month's bag. And if you like to know more about fab bag, like what the subscription plan, like for 1 month you need to pay 600 rupees online. If you're going for cash on delivery, 100 rupees extra, and for 3 months you need to pay 1600 rupees. But if you're going for cash on delivery, then 100 rupees cash on delivery charges every month for 3 months, and for 6 months you just need to pay 2900 rupees again for cash on delivery, 100 rupees per month. So that's it, plus signing bonus. So this is great way to try new products like this one. I absolutely love this product and happy to receive it. And each month you will get 1 makeup product or 2 makeup product, depends, and also skin, hair related products, which is kind of a great way to receive free products, which, and try and test products, and they worth more what you paid. So, and the brands they select is usually good brands like Switzerland, this brand which I have never heard about, but the Tawak is nice, which I have already heard about, and the Organic Harvest, and the companies are good, Sugar Cosmetics. So that's all guys, that's all in this video. I hope you guys like this video, and please, if you do like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like my video for more videos to come. So guys, see you in my next video.